Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best gaming mini PCs in 2026. These compact powerhouses deliver desktop-level gaming performance while saving space on your desk. Whether you want high-end RTX gaming, AI workstation power, creator performance, or portable gaming setup, this list has some amazing mini PCs worth checking out. We'll cover the specs, gaming performance, pros and cons, and help you decide which gaming mini PC is worth buying in 2026. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. ACEMAGIC AI Mini PC Workstation. The ACEMAGIC AI Mini PC is one of the most powerful compact workstations available in 2026. It comes with an Intel Core i9-13900HK processor, Intel Arc A770 discrete graphics, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a fast 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. This mini PC also supports up to 6 displays with 8K output, making it excellent for gaming, streaming, content creation, and AI workloads. Pros: powerful Intel Core i9 performance, dedicated Intel Arc A770 graphics, supports up to 6 displays, fast DDR5 memory and PCIe Gen 4 SSD, compact workstation design. If you want a powerful all-around mini gaming workstation with strong multitasking capabilities, the ACEMAGIC AI Mini PC is an excellent choice. Number 2. GMKtec Nukebox K11 Gaming Mini PC. This mini PC features the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS processor with boost speeds up to 5.1 GHz, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a large 2TB SSD. It also includes Oculink support for external GPUs, dual 2.5G LAN ports, USB 4, Wi-Fi 6, and excellent cooling performance. Pros: powerful Ryzen 9 processor, large 2TB SSD storage, Oculink external GPU support, excellent connectivity options, efficient cooling system. The GMKtec K11 is perfect for users who want a powerful, compact PC for productivity, streaming, and expandable gaming performance. Number 3. TOPGRO T1 Max Mini Gaming PC. This mini gaming beast includes a 13th Gen Intel i9-13900HX processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a fast PCIe 4.0 SSD. The RGB lighting and compact design give it a true gaming aesthetic while delivering serious gaming performance. Pros: RTX 4070 gaming performance, powerful Intel i9 processor, compact high-performance design, RGB lighting effects, excellent for AAA gaming and streaming. If you want desktop-class gaming performance in a compact mini PC, the TOPGRO T1 Max is one of the best gaming-focused options in 2026. Number 4. ASUS ROG Nuke 2025 Gaming Mini PC. This compact powerhouse features an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, NVIDIA RTX 5070 mobile GPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 2TB NVMe SSD. It also includes triple fan cooling, Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, and customizable ARGB lighting. Pros: powerful RTX 5070 graphics, premium ASUS ROG build quality, excellent cooling system, Thunderbolt 4 support, compact premium gaming design. The ROG Nuke is built for gamers who want premium performance, portability, and a high-end gaming experience in a small form factor. Number 5. Reatan X8 Ryzen AI Mini PC. This futuristic mini PC is powered by the Ryzen AI 9HX 470 processor with AI acceleration up to 86 TOPs, 48GB DDR5 RAM, Radeon 890 MUM graphics, and Wi-Fi 7 support. It's designed for AI workloads, creators, developers, and light gaming in an ultra-compact form factor. Pros: advanced AI processing performance, massive 48GB DDR5 RAM, Wi-Fi 7 and USB 4 support, efficient, compact design, great for creators and developers. If you want a future-ready AI Mini PC for productivity, creative work, and casual gaming, the Reatan X8 is a very impressive option. So that was our list of the top 5 best gaming mini PCs in 2026. If you want the best overall workstation performance, the ACEMAGIC AI Mini PC is a fantastic choice. For hardcore gaming, the TOPGRO T1 Max delivers serious RTX power. And if you want a premium compact gaming experience, the ASUS ROG Nuke is hard to beat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and buying guides.